Easy pose. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Place your hands gently on your knees. Sit tall and relax your shoulders. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out softly. Cat-cow. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale, lift your chest and look up. Exhale, round your back like a cat. Move slowly with your breath. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders. Lift your chest slowly. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe calmly. Bow pose. Stay on your belly. Reach back and hold your ankles. Lift your chest and legs up. Rock gently like a bow. Breathe softly. Camel pose. Come up onto your knees. Gently lean your body back. Open your chest wide. Take a deep breath in. Chair pose. Stand tall and bend your knees. Sit back like a chair. Lift your arms up high. Hold strong and breathe. Warrior 1. Step 1 foot forward. Bend your front knee. Raise your arms overhead. Stand strong like a warrior. Triangle pose. Straighten your front leg. Reach one hand down. Lift the other hand up. Open your chest wide. Calm breathing. Reverse warrior. Bend your front knee. Reach one arm up and back. Stretch your side gently. Slow, deep breath. Reclined twist. Lie on your back. Bring one knee across your body. Twist gently to the side. Relax your shoulders. Switch sides slowly. Locust pose. Lie on your belly again. Lift your chest and legs. Arms reach back. Fly like a little superhero. Breathe steadily. Puck. Supported bridge with block. Lie on your back.
Lift your hips gently. Place a block under your lower back. Relax and breathe deeply.
Happy baby pose. Hold your feet with your hands, knees bend toward your chest. Gently rock side to side. Smile and breathe. Legs up the wall. Lie on your back near a wall. Lift your legs up against it. Relax your arms by your sides. Breathe slowly and calmly. Shavasana. Lie flat on your back. Let your whole body relax. Close your eyes gently. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Rest and feel peaceful. Bow pose. Stay on your belly. Reach back and hold your ankles. Lift your chest and legs up. Rock gently like a bow. Breathe softly. Camel pose. Come up onto your knees. Gently lean your body back. Open your chest wide. Take a deep breath in.